If you are an e-commerce owner or selling online something, then you know ads is the really important factor if you want to increase your sales or want to scale up. So getting the really good ad idea or creating an ad that can get you the sales or the engagement is a tedious task. You have to go a lot of the ads from your competitors who have to find out which one is working for them, so you can copy or get the idea from it. So I know you have the idea of the Facebook ads library where you can search the ad and get the idea, but let me tell you, whenever you are going to search any category on this platform, it is also going to show you the irrelevant ads as well. So what if there's the tool or the platform which can give you the ads idea not from the Facebook but also from the Instagram, from the Google, from the LinkedIn? So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about AdPeekr. In this platform you can monitor competitor ads from the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and the Google with the real-time email alerts. So whenever your competitor is going to run or publish a new ad, you will get the instantly updated on your email, so you can check that out. You will find out whether that ad you can also run, get the idea, or you can copy it. Okay, so in this video I will give you a detailed features overview. In this platform we have the three core features. First one, we have the ad search. Here we can just search the ads, we can find out the competitors, we can check out which ads is working fine, so we can get the idea out of them or we can copy it here. Then the second one, we have the my alerts. Here you can create the alerts on your competitor, so whenever they are going to run a new ad, you will be updated on your email. Third one, this one, that is the my ads. Here when you have connected your account with the Meta, Google and the LinkedIn, it is start showing up your ads here with the analytics and the impacts you are getting here. So let me go to dashboard here, and right now what I am going to show you is first the Facebook ads library. So here I have searched this shoe, and you can see along with the shoe ads I can also see the some of the irrelevant ads as well. Like this one is the cream, this one is the traveling bag, this one is the dressing. So I didn't like it here. So whenever I am going to search the same thing, for example I am selling the shoes online, so I want to see the competitor, so I will simply search the shoes, okay, and hit the enter. Now it will start showing me some of the really engaging brands that are running these shoes ads here, like this one, DC shoes, Clarks, Office, Wilding, so many brands available. So I'm going to look at this one here because it has the likes and the followers that is sufficient. I can just rely on that they are getting the sales from their ads is the pretty much good here. So now once I have selected the brand, now it will show me their top 10 ads here. So right now you can see this is the ad here, and I can also click here on the destination. Right now this ad is only from the Facebook and the Instagram, because here I have only connected my Facebook or the Meta account, but when you connect your Google or the LinkedIn account, it will start also showing up from those platform ads as well. So this will not be any singular platform, this is giving you the omni-channel ads monitoring, and the you can see here all the platforms ads in the single place. So now what I can see here, okay, I like this one here, so I can simply click here on the destination URL. Now this is going to open up. Okay, I think this website is now showing up. Okay, this website is not opening, might be there is some hosting problem, so I will go with the some another brand. So again I will search this shoe, okay, hit the enter, and now here you can see you can also select the platforms. I have connected my Meta account right now here, so this time I will go with this one, that is the Suaholic. Okay, this is a good brand, and I think we have the so many ads is going to be a pair with this brand here. So let's see, it is loading up. It can take few seconds to loading up your product ad. Yeah, you can see this is the video ad, this is the other ads. Okay, I like this one, so I will click here on the destination URL, and instantly I will see this Facebook ad here. Okay, it is asking me to log in. I don't want to log in, so I will hit the close button, and now this is the brand Facebook page here, and here I can see all these content here. Okay, so same way you can check out the other ads as well, and not only that, you can also see some of the things like similar ad version, 3 similar ads they have created starting from this date, and they have run these ads on the Facebook, Instagram and the Messenger. So this is the data you are getting. And here's the best part, I can click here on the set alerts. So whenever they are going to create or run a new ad, I will be instantly get updated on my email, so I can check that out. And this is how you are going to use this ad search option on the AdPeekr. Like the name is suggesting, the platform working. This is the my alerts. Here you will see the alerts you have created. So right now I have created the alert for the Nike brand. Here you can see the sportswear, and when I open up, it will start showing up the ads, the Nike running right now. I can instantly check out which ad working good for them. So this is the really big brand, so I don't suggest you can just go follow these brands, but some of the small brands that is really getting the sales from their ads, you can copy that. Okay, so right now this is showing me the 0 ads. I don't know why, might be there's some problem, but no worries. I can get back to the ad search and I can search the Nike again, and this time it will start showing me the Nike ads here. Okay, so that's how you can always create the more alerts, always explore and the monitors the more brands. Here you can see all these ads from the Nike here, and this is the my ads. So once you have connected your ad account, you can also see your ads as well. Okay, so this is how this platform works and they looks like. This is the really simple platform, but the impactful if you are an e-commerce owner or selling your products online with the help of the ad. It can save you a lot of the time, a lot of the money while testing out your ads. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video about this platform. If you want to check it out, the lifetime deal about the AdPeekr, right now I have given the link in the description, so just grab that deal from there. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.